Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I am so excited to sit down and talk about all of the Colourpop deals happening right now. They have some amazing holiday gift sets and vaults and collections, and definitely just products I recommend checking out, whether you're shopping for yourself or for someone else. I am so excited because today's video is actually sponsored by Colourpop, which is amazing because Colourpop is my absolute favorite brand. So it is a dream to be able to work with them. What I did is I actually went through the website and I chose all of my favorite holiday gift sets and just the best deals in terms of value and quality, and I'm going to share them with you guys in today's video. Now they have a ton of options. I'm not going to cover everything in today's video, so I'll link the website in the description box below so you guys can check out all of the products for yourself. Right now, Colourpop is running their Cyber Week deal, so everything is 30% off, including their regular staple products like their eyeshadow palettes, complexion products, eyeliners, but also their new gifts and vault sets. And that's a really good deal in terms of value because they're already discounted. So on top of that discount, you can get 30% off. So whether you are shopping for yourself or for a gift for someone, you're going to be able to save a good amount of money this week if you are planning on trying anything. So like I said, I'm going to share my favorites with you guys and the ones that I recommend because there are some really good options. So let's jump into it and I'll share my absolute favorite sets with you guys, the ones that I recommend checking out if you are planning on trying anything. And if you guys did grab anything, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, let's start with eye products. So the first set I wanted to recommend is this one. This one is the Dreamery Super Shock Shadow Vault. So right now it's $32. It's normally $38, but it's actually $54 in terms of value. First of all, the packaging is perfect for gift giving. It comes in this really cute box, and then it opens up like a book, and all of the Super Shock shadows are laid out really nicely. So all of the sets are really giftable, but I especially love this one. Colourpop is known for their Super Shock shadows. It's one of my favorite formulas even to this day. It's so easy to use. You can just literally swipe it across the eyes and be good to go. And I think that this set is a good introduction to the formula if you have been wanting to try it out, because you do get a good mix of neutrals and then you do get a few pops of color, but they're easy to work with. So whether you are a beginner or you wear eyeshadow all the time, you'll really enjoy this because it just completely adds to any look that you're doing. All of the shadows in here are very sparkly, very intense, so they look great on the eyes. I'm wearing the shade Set to Sun today all over the lid, which is just like a really pretty pink. And I'm just very passionate about the Super Shock shadows because I love them. So this is a really nice set if you're looking to give a gift, or if you want to try them out yourself, you're getting a good deal in terms of value. So there are a few different palette vaults available on Colourpop's website right now. I wanted to highlight one that I thought would be a great option because I think it's going to appeal to most people, no matter what type of eyeshadow you like to wear. So this one is called On the Double. It is a palette duo vault. Now this vault in particular comes with 6 different palettes, but you can purchase the duo separately, which I'll get into in a second. So this one is a great deal in terms of value because this week it is $54. It's normally $78, but it's actually an $84 value. It comes with 6 palettes, so it comes out to be $9 per palette. It comes with 5 of Colourpop's best-selling palettes and then also 1 new palette. Like I said, they do have a couple of different vault options on the website, but this one comes with mainly neutral palettes, but they're almost like elevated neutral palettes. I have the majority of these and I love how they look on the eyes. The matte shadows are so blendable. The metallic shadows are so pretty and eye-catching. What's nice is you can give this to someone as a gift or of course purchase it for yourself. But if you want to purchase it and split it up, it comes with 3 different duos that are very giftable on their own as well. Now these duos are also sold separately as well. So if 6 palettes is a little bit too much for you and there are just 2 palettes that you want to try, you can purchase a duo and get 2 palettes for a really good price. So these are normally $28, but this week they are $19. Let's start with the Blushing Nudes duo. So again, this is how it comes, and then it opens up and you have 2 separate palettes. The Blush Crush palette is one of my favorites. It comes with some really pretty pink shades. I think it's a really nice day to night palette. So you can do something very soft, very simple, and then, I mean, not that a lot of us are kind of going out at night, but if that was the case, you could go back home and transform the look with a couple of deeper shades as well. I think that is a great palette if you like pinks. They also included the Nude Mood palette, which is new to my collection, and I've really been enjoying it. I've used it a few times over the past few days, and it just has the perfect range of, staple everyday neutrals. Again, I think it would be a good day to night palette, but I just like having this palette because I can create something very simple and very light or do something a little bit more smoky. and it's not overly warm toned, but it is a good staple warm toned neutral palette. So I think this is going to be for those of you that don't necessarily go super deep with your eyeshadow, but like something a little bit more practical for everyday wear. I think my favorite duo is the Cooler Than Me duo. I love the two palettes they included in here. They are two of my favorites. So the first one is Making Mauves. The second one is That's Taupe. Making Mauves has been one of my favorite Colourpop palettes since they released it at the beginning of the year. It is such a pretty pinky purple palette. It's a little bit deeper than Blush Crush, and obviously it's cooler toned. The matte shadows are extra blendable. I'm wearing this one on my eyes today. They are so smooth and easy to work with, and the metallic shadows are so shimmery and eye-catching and just gorgeous. So if you like this color story, but again, you want a little bit more of an elevated look, this is going to be a great option. I just purchased the That's Taupe palette either last month or the month before, and it's such a staple cooler toned neutral palette. It is great if you love to wear cool tones every single day because you can do something really soft and light, but you can also incorporate that really intense Super Shock shadow for more of a wet eye look, and I just think it can be really, really fun to use on its own, but also alongside of other palettes in my collection. So out of all of the duos, this is my personal favorite, and if you love cooler tones like I do, I think this will be a great option for you. The other duo is called Into Bloom, and I hadn't tried either of these palettes. One palette is an existing palette in their line, and then one is new. So the new one is called Big Poppy, and the existing palette is called Lil Ray of Sunshine. So Big Poppy is a really beautiful, intense, warm rust palette. Each of these palettes comes with 9 matte shadows. So if you love matte shadows and shimmers aren't your thing, you might really enjoy these, especially if you love warm tones. I think Big Poppy makes those orangey shades a little bit more wearable and easy to work with, and the formula is really soft, very blendable. Lil Ray of Sunshine is a little bit more yellow toned, but I think that it makes yellow, again, very approachable. So if you like the occasional pop of color, but their monochromatic palettes are a little bit too intense for you, this might be a good alternative. These are also great to use alongside of more colorful palettes because you get some of those staple matte shadows, which are great for creating the base or just kind of building up the crease. So this is going to be a good option as well. I love the fact that they put all of these together because they're all a little bit different. So if you do like to switch up your eyeshadow, I think that this vault is a nice option. I did want to touch on their other palette vaults, so I'm going to put pictures on the screen for you guys because I don't have the actual vaults to share with you. I do have the majority of these individual palettes, so I can definitely speak to the quality, but the first one is the State of Play Shadow Vault. So this one is a $48 set, which normally retails for $68, and it's $72 in value. This is a pastel palette vault that comes with 4 of their existing palettes and then 2 new palettes. So if you like colorful eyeshadow, but you like something a little bit softer and more toned down, this might be a great option for you. The existing palettes are Baby Got Peach, Going Coconuts, Mint to Be, and Lilac You a Lot. They're all very pretty, very pastel toned. Going Coconuts is more of a neutral palette, so that will be nice to incorporate alongside of the colorful palettes. And then there are 2 new palettes. So On Cloud Blue is a pastel blue palette, and then Cloud Spun is a pastel pink palette. So I will link that vault in the description box below if those shades appeal to you. Now, if you like really bright, bold, intense shadows, then you're definitely going to like the Dream Big Palette Vault. This one was available last year, and it comes with 6 of their bright monochromatic 9-pan palettes. So again, this is a $48 set, which normally retails for $68, and it's $72 in terms of value. I think I actually have all of these. It comes with Main Squeeze, Orange You Glad, Honey, Just My Luck, Blue Moon, and It's My Pleasure. So again, if you like really bold, intense eyeshadow, this is going to be a great option for you. The pastel one is really nice if you like a softer version, but these are really pigmented, very fun to work with. So if you know someone who loves colorful eyeshadow, this might be a great vault. The last eye-focused product I wanted to share with you guys is the Like a Charm Cream Gel Liner Vault. So this one actually comes with 12 different cream gel liners. It is $32, but it's normally $40, and it's actually $72 in terms of value. So this one is a great deal because it comes out to be about $3 per liner. These liners are some of my favorite. I love to wear them on the waterline. I do have quite a few in my collection. They're very creamy. They stay stay in place extremely well, and they have all different colors to choose from. Now this Vol in particular comes with a lot of neutrals. You do get lighter shades and deeper shades, but you're not going to get like a pastel purple or a royal blue. So I do feel like this is a great option if you tend to wear a lot of neutral looks, whether you do something a little bit softer or a little bit more smoky. And they do have a bunch of lip product vaults available, so no matter what you're into, whether it's more of a traditional lipstick formula or something a little bit more long wearing or lightweight, there's going to be a set for you. The one that I wanted to highlight is something that I thought would be really practical for the majority of people. So this one is the Lil Box of Lippie Pencils Vault. This retails for $19. It's normally $28, but it's actually a $60 value. So again, this one is a great deal in terms of value. You get 10 different full-sized Lippie pencils, so it comes out to be less than $2 per pencil. And these are pretty much the only lip liners I use. I do have a ton of them in my collection because last year I got like the larger version of this, and I literally have one for every single look I like to wear. I just like this formula because it's creamy, so it does apply well, but it grips onto your lipstick so well, so it will lock it into place all day long, whether you're wearing a cream lipstick, a liquid lipstick. It even goes well under lip gloss, and I think that these last a long time. They're the type of pencil you have to sharpen, so they don't break very easily, and I just enjoy them so much. They're basically the only lip liners I have in my collection. They do have a larger version, so if you are really into this formula and you feel like you need more than 10 shades, or you like really bright shades and bold shades, they actually have something called the Must Have Stash Lippie Pencil Cup, which retails for $55 this week. It's normally $79, and it's actually $226 in terms of value, but that's because it comes with 36 Lippie pencils. I did want to highlight two different Fourth Ray Beauty sets. I really like the Fourth Ray Beauty products that I've tried, and they have a lot of options. So whether you're looking for face milks or face serums, skincare tools, or skincare sets, I definitely recommend checking them out. But there are two that I really, really love. The first one I wanted to mention is the Lip Hooray Lip Mask Kit. It is $16. It's normally $24, and it comes with 3 different overnight lip masks. So there are 2 new ones, coconut, rose, and strawberry. I'm not sure exactly which one is the original one because I haven't tried these before, or I hadn't tried these before until I got this kit, and I love this so much. All 3 of the scents smell absolutely amazing. I think my favorite is strawberry, and the actual formula is so good. So you can apply these at night. I like doing that, but I also like wearing them throughout the day. I feel like my lips tend to be very dry during the winter time, so this is perfect. And even if you know someone who isn't into eyeshadow or colorful lip products, I feel like everyone likes a good moisturizing lip balm. These are better than lip balms because they're just very thick, but they're also very glossy, very moisturizing. So they feel amazing, they smell amazing, and I just can't get enough of them. I love all 3 scents, but I definitely think strawberry is my favorite. So you could purchase this for someone, or again, split them up, and I just feel like it's a very practical purchase that feels really luxurious and really fun. So like I said, there are a bunch of different skincare kit options. So whether you're looking for products that are going to exfoliate or clear up your skin or hydrate, you're going to be able to find something that works well for you. One that I thought would work for everyone is this Dew Crew Hydrating Kit. So this is $15. It's normally $22, but I thought that this one was perfect because whether you have dry skin or oily skin, I feel like everyone can benefit from really moisturizing skincare products. It comes with 3 different products: the Do It Hydrating Hyaluronic Mist, which you can spray on your skin in the morning or at night. Also the Rainfall 2% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Typically I'll just apply like 2 or 3 drops to my fingers and then gently press it into the skin, and it just gives my skin a very plump, smooth, moisturized feel and look. And then I also love the Soak It Up Hydrating Hyaluronic Mask. I tried that last winter for the first time. It's a really nice overnight mask that you can apply if your skin is feeling dry or just needs an extra dose of moisture. And then the next morning when you wake up, your skin is super smooth, super moisturized, or you can apply it, leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes and then wipe it off. But I really like all 3 of these products. So I definitely thought this would be a great option. It's $15 and you get a good amount of product in each one. I just wanted to mention 2 different Soul Body kits. So again, Soul Body has some great products if you like body shimmers or body highlighters or luminizers or lotions or body scrubs. There are a lot of different options as well. But I always have a hard time finding a good cruelty-free fragrance that I really enjoy. And they just came out with these two sets, which smell amazing. So Soul Body products in general smell so good. And I've always said, like, I wish they could bottle up that scent and sell it. And they have, which is amazing. So the first one I wanted to mention is the Sandbar Mini Body Spritzers. It's only $8 for this little duo. It's normally $12, which is still a good deal because I don't know about you, I don't go through fragrance super quickly, but this comes with two different options. So you get Sun-Kissed Coconut, which is a warm scent with fruity coconut milk, mango nectar aroma, and soft notes of pineapple flower and blonde wood. If you guys have tried like the Soul Body body highlighters, they smell amazing. That's exactly what this smells like. So I love that warm coconut scent. And the second one is Sea Bloom, which is a beachy white floral with delicate jasmine and dune flower aroma, and then soft notes of coconut milk and warm sand. So it has like a similar feel to it, but it's a little bit more floral. They both smell so good. They remind me of being at the beach or somewhere tropical, and one can dream. I mean, winter is right around the corner. So I think that this is such a fun option if you do love warm, beachy scents. The other set is the Lounge Bar Fragrance Oil Kit. This one is $19. It's normally $28. It actually comes with 3 different scents. So 2 of them are what I just described. So it does come with Sun-Kissed Coconut. It also comes with Sea Bloom, which is the more floral version. But the third one is Rosé Petals. This one is a pink rose petal and sparkling lychee aroma with soft notes of creamy coconut and white wood. So again, it has like a very similar beachy scent, but it's a little bit more floral and slightly more rose scented. These are actually roller balls, and like I said, they're fragrance oils. So if you don't like body sprays or mists and you prefer more of a roller ball fragrance oil, this is going to be a great option. Again, it's very, very giftable, and it's a really good deal in terms of value, and I have such a hard time finding cruelty-free fragrances that I love. So I was really excited about these as well. So those are all of these sets I wanted to share with you guys in today's video. Like I said, there are so many options on the website, so definitely check it out and see if there's anything else that catches your eye. If you don't necessarily need an entire vault or an entire set right now, their regular products are 30% off as well. So if there is one specific eyeshadow palette you've been eyeing, or you want to try out one of their complexion products, you can still get a discount. I have a lot of Colourpop related videos on my channel, so if you guys want to check out more reviews, if you've been thinking about trying something, I'll link them in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Thanks again to Colourpop for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys very soon with a new one. Bye.